Hello there, a new day, a new fix. Do you remember this one? The Huawei P8 Lite. Of course, pretty old. This is a 2015 model, but still very capable, and it's good to have one of these, like a spare part, around. And finally, I have my spare battery over here. So, let me take off the back part of the, it's not so tight. You can use a plectrum or something, but this, in my case, this is very easy. Okay, it's not really giving up. So we can use a guitar plectrum like this. And there we are. I put the old battery. Do you remember this battery was wobbling? It have a bump over here. So I put it just to check firmware upgrade. I returned the phone to the initial original firmware. I consider that much better for this little guy to do the job I needed. All we have to do now is to take this metal part away. Okay. Magnetic screwdriver, it's a must. I need to take this metal shield away to have access to the connector. That should be enough to get this piece out of way. But it's out. That's the battery. Okay, so we got this apart. Now we have to take also this plastic one, because we have the NFC antenna. Oh, and we have also to untie this one a little bit to have space for the plastic. Right, okay. So this is the antenna connector here. I don't know how I'm gonna take this antenna out from the battery because it's double taped, but I think I'm gonna just cut that plastic. Now we pick up the connector, the battery connector here. It should go out very easy. And there it is. And we just take out the battery. It's still a little bit of tape behind there, keeping the things in place. Then that's it. Let me clean the inside a little bit. Oh, of course, the double tape. I forgot about that. Now, let me have the new battery. Number AZC Plus. Okay. So don't do the same stupid thing like I did, try to clean it with some paper tissues. Look what I have done. Oh my god. Well, I got an idea. Yes. You see? I'm using another piece of tape to take all these things out. This is a really clever look, and it's clean. You can use this trick. Let's have the new battery in place. I will not put anything over there because we have that double tape. Let's put the connector in place. Yeah, it fits perfect. Okay, what do you think? Is it working or not? Is there any power on this battery? In this battery? Come on. Yes. Perfect. And it's working. Beautiful. Nice. Let's turn it off. This is okay over here. Let's put the shield back. There we are. And it's back in place. Okay. Okay, and we have another screw for the plastic thing here. Now, let me do, if I can, of course, this antenna stunt. Okay, so this battery is absolutely compromised, so it's no way to restore that. Okay, I think we can take that out with some help, of course. It's a good idea to heat it up a little bit, but I'm afraid to do that on this battery. It's already compromised, and I'm absolutely afraid to apply any kind of heat or something like this. So here is the place. Yes, of course, that should be the place. Okay, let's get this back in place, starting with this side, the left one. Now, before anything else, let me see if the NFL is working, or the NFC, I'm sorry. Let's have this settings here, shortcuts, settings, more, NFC on, and I have my other mobile. Let me put NFC on. Okay, now we should have a sound. Perfect. So it's working. Beautiful. So everything is fine. The NFC is working, new battery in place, and we got nothing else to do but to have the back lid on place. Let me clean a little bit this. Yeah, it's okay, but I think it's okay. The back is still a little bit wobbling because of the, probably this one got hot too, not only almost blowing. So this is up, back in place, and that's it. A brand new phone. Beautiful. Okay, so here we have, okay, I missed that, but now it's fine, absolutely fine. Okay, so that was all for today. I hope this is useful. I'll be back soon with some other projects, and in the meantime, don't forget to have fun and be well. Bye bye.